Good morning, good afternoon. Once again, it will depend on the time that you are joining the course. Today we are going to look for the interface of R programming before we go to the R basics and data types. So I want you to be interactive with the basics of R programming, and also this is a time to see the interface of R programming. So as I said, R it can be also into four parts, and this is a part of R script where we type the code, and this is also the part of R console where the output is going to be displayed. And from here also you can write the code, but the difference between here and this on the RStudio, so once you type the code here, you cannot save it, but if you type it in R script here, you have the possibility of saving the code, and then you can use it whenever time you want. So from here also you see, and this is where the output is going to be displayed, and on this side you have environment. The environment is going to consist of everything. Every object we are going to generate is going to be saved here on environment. But if we delete this one, it means that in a memory that is not existing. And we have also the history where we are going to have everything we have run from the starting of using R programming. This is what I have from where I started by using R programming, and also the connectivity. It's where you can connect R programming with other platform. Like there is a way we can also do the dashboard in R programming, but also there is a possibility that you can connect it with the website, and this is where you can also find the tutorial, like to run the R programming basics from the beginning to the advanced level. That's where you can come and get the tutorial you want. So for you to access the tutorial, what you have to do, you see here we have the option of starting the tutorial. Once you click on start the tutorial, R is going to give you the tutorial as much as you want. And here we have the file option. It is going to bring you the files that is also consist of the current working directory. And if I'm on the current working directory, for example, I'm in download, so I'm going to get everything that is in current working directory. And this is the prot. That is where if you prot the chart, that is where the prot is going to be look like in terms of viewing it. And from here, that is where you can go and find all of the packages that you have already installed in R programming. And here also it is help command. It is help option where you can also go and search a specific topic. Let's say, for example, you want to understand something, or you want to look for the documentations of the R programming that you are using, something which is difficult for you. You can come here on help, so that is going to help you to do those kind of things. And even here for the viewing the chart, that's what it means. And here also you can look for the presentations. When you are looking something, you can also make the PowerPoint presentations in R programming. So here also there is where you can go and edit. In edit you can undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. Those are kind of things we can see on the edit. But also on file, that's where we normally go when we are trying to create the new R programming script, but also creating PowerPoint presentation, R Markdown, R Notebook, Shine Web Application. Those are also the CSS, JavaScript, Python script. Those are the things we can do. And there is a possibility that you can run the Python, you can run SQL, you can run whatever you want based on the extensions of the files we have here. And also that's where we used to go when we are trying to save the output. But also this is the side of the code where in a code you can also edit it the way you want. And also the prot, the sections, building, debugging. We are debugging when we are trying to remove an error once we face the specific error. So profile is where you can go and then look for advanced one. This is also for the tools. We are trying to look for the setup, installing the packages, and also the help. It is the same as what we have here. So if you want the cheat sheet, RStudio cheat sheet, let's say for example data visualization cheat sheet. So if I click on this, you see There is also web application. Let's say I need cheat sheet for web application, so I click on this one. Once I click on cheat sheet of web applications, so it is going to be open online. So once I open this, let's say for example, that's what I can have. That is also the good thing you can look into while you are trying to do everything that you are looking for. So I think you have seen how you can navigate the interface of R programming, and now it is a time to continue to enjoy the rest of the session. So let's hope that you are doing well, and I wish you all the best to continue to learn more about the R programming as we are starting. So thank you once again.